always up to date. Remote software upgrades provide new functions, functional enhancements, and quality improvements for your BMW. We take care of you. You will be notified after you have downloaded the new vehicle software via your My BMW app, or when it has been automatically downloaded onto your car while driving. When you stop, you'll be asked to confirm the installation of the upgrade. Finishing touches. Follow the instructions on the control display. If you wonder what's in there for you, find out by reading the notes displayed. In a hurry? No problem. You can set a timer for the installation. Or get it done right now. The upgrade will start automatically when all requirements have been met. Careful! During the upgrade process, your BMW cannot be used for about 20 minutes. So, park the car safely before starting the procedure. You can leave and lock the vehicle while the update is running. Once it is successfully completed, you will be notified in the My BMW app, but also in your car's control display before your next ride. Any questions regarding the upgrade? Please get in touch with the BMW customer support. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.